Welcome to my channel. If you have ever wanted to make your Excel charts more interactive and dynamic, today I will show you step by step how to create powerful interactive charts that update in real time. Whether you are analyzing data, building reports, this tutorial will make your charts more engaging and insightful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification button for you to get notified when I upload video like this one. Make sure to stick around until the end for some Excel tips. I am going to show you how you can make your charts more dynamic and also more interactive in Excel. The first step will be to create a list in this cell, which we will use a drop down to select a name from these names in our data. To create a list, go to Data, then under the Data Tools, click on this arrow in Data Validation, and then click Data Validation. A dialog box will appear, and here on Allow, click on this drop down menu and then select List. Then you have to input the source. Under the source, click on this arrow, select the list of the names and then click on that arrow, click OK. And by doing that, you have created a list of names that you can select one name using a drop down menu. And now you can select the name that you want from this list in our data. The next step is to fill in the data for the weekly sales for each person that appears in this cell. We will use the XLOOKUP function. In this cell, input the XLOOKUP function equals XLOOKUP, and then our lookup value is this cell, then comma, the lookup array is the range of cells with the names, then comma, the return array is the range of cells with sales data. Close the bracket, press enter. Now we have the data for the person that is appearing in this cell, and this data will change as we change the name of the person that is in this cell. And now to create the chart, we are going to highlight this data, then go to Insert, and then under the charts, click on the bar chart and select this first option. Now let us focus on making our chart more interactive and more dynamic. The first thing is to get rid of these guidelines, and we can do this by clicking on this plus icon and then uncheck the grid lines. Then click on any of the column and then right click and go to Format Data Series. The Format Chart area will appear on your right. And now we can format our chart accordingly. Click on any column on your chart and then reduce the width to around 50. Then click on Fill, check on this option, Vary Colors by Points, and as you can see, our chart has different colors for each column. You can close that area and move the chart to your preferred area. Adjust the chart to match your format. We can further edit our chart by making the axis bold as well as the title. Click anywhere on the chart, then go to Chart Design, click on Add Chart Element and click on Data Labels. Choose this option, Outside End. Click on any of the data labels, right click and come here to change data label shape, and here select the shape that will match your chart style. We can give the shape a color, and let's make the data labels visible by giving them a white color and then make them bold. Then finally increase their font to around 12 to make them more visible. And now your chart is ready. The chart will display the name that you choose in this cell, and the chart will change as you change the name from your list. That is how to make your charts more dynamic and also more interactive. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and also leave a comment if you found the video helpful. See you in the next video.